Ever wondered what role women had to play in the rise of the auto world? A big one. Throughout history, women were behind the scenes, shaping the cars we drive today, paving the path to a sleeker, smoother, and safer journey for all of us. This International Women's Day, we're celebrating the women who built the auto industry from the ground up, piece by piece. And there are 7 of them waiting to be appreciated for their unsung achievements. For shaping the sleek, safe, smart, smooth, and crystal clear driving experiences we enjoy today. Simply hit the Learn More button below to discover their powerful auto inventions. Feeling empowered to make history yourself? You should be, because you can do anything, including equipping your vehicle with the best wiper blades you've ever experienced. And you can do it yourself in minutes, no assistance necessary. After all, who run the auto world? Girls.